walk through towns and open skies, but nothing shines like your sweet eyes. I've sat on porches in the evening air with a warm cup of tea and no worry there. But every beautiful place I know feels even better when you're close. You are my favorite place, my peace, my saving grace. When I am in your arms, I feel the world slow down. You are my favorite place, no distance can replace the comfort that I find when your heart is close to mine. No fancy house, no road of gold could ever hold what your love holds. You give me laughter, you give me light, you make the darkest day feel right. When the rain comes down on the window pane, you turn the storm into a sweet refrain. No matter where this life may lead, your loving heart is all I need. You are my favorite place, my peace, my saving grace. When I am in your arms, I feel the world slow down. You are my favorite place, no distance can replace the comfort that I find when your heart is close to mine. If I am lost, I know the way. Your love will bring me home each day. No map, no road, no sign above. Just follow the feeling of your love. You are my favorite place, my peace, my saving grace. When I am in your arms, I feel the world slow down. You are my favorite place, no distance can replace the comfort that I find when your heart is close to mine. My favorite place is right here with you. My favorite place, your love.